Hello, welcome to Export Portal. We are a global B2B trade platform focused on making international trade accessible. Our users can upload their product one by one or in bulk. And today I would like to walk you through the bulk item upload process on our website. Let's go to exportportal.com and click on the login. This takes you to the account you created. After you logged in, you should click the menu section located under the username. Access the quick menu and click on the Items option. Once you click the Items option, next find the Bulk Upload button in the right upper corner and click it to find the Upload File button in the left upper corner. Click it to upload the Excel file with all your items and fill in all the fields here. Please note that you can download the sample of the Excel file by clicking the button with an arrow in the right upper corner. Remember, the sample Excel file contains the following fields, which are required for a successful bulk upload: title of your product, price in USD, discount price in USD in case you offer a discount to the customers, total quantity of your items, total number of packages, boxes, or containers available for sale, minimum sales quantity, minimum quantity of items included in one order, maximum sales quantity, maximum quantity of items included in one order, weight per unit, package, box, or container, size, the exact size of the product, box, or container the products are packed in, video, include the direct link in the promo video of the item you sell in case there is one. If you do not have a video for your item, you can leave that field blank, but all other fields must be filled out correctly. After uploading your Excel document and completing all the steps, press the Next button. The next step is to adjust all the fields from your Excel file with the fields provided in the form. After you finish filling in all the required fields of the form, click the Import button to finally upload all your data. Once the process has been completed, a window will appear. And there we are. You have successfully uploaded items in bulk. All items are now with a draft status. Next, open every product page and fill in the missing details, such as product description, additional variations, and product images to make your product visible on our platform. If you have any additional questions while registering and completing your profile, you can always send them to us. Contact our world-class support team by sending us an email to support@exportportal.com or using the live chat option on our website. Additionally, if you have any issues during the bulk item upload process, you can always send the Excel file to us, and our international team of trade professionals will gladly upload it for you. Please kindly note, Export Portal cares about every single user.